Kills guy left side. Keep moving. Walk north. Bro, please cleanse. Keep using Oculus. Keep moving north. Rest circle. Stem your cities. Keep moving north side. Keep moving north. Walking north. Rest circle. Stem your cities. Have your back line. Keep moving. We will go to the bridge. Come. Northeast side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us. Kill that two. Keep kiting. Kite to bridge. Kite to fucking bridge. Drop focus. Kite to bridge. Push them outside. Demon at the choke. Hold the bridge. Demon at the choke. Turn your series. We will look at it. Here. We will look at the Tati.
Ready.
Tati. Wait. Tati. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start on club. Kill that 3. Go back. Hold the bridge. Don't let them push. Bad rack. Use bad rack. Don't let them push. Please push. Keep moving northeast side. Northwest side. Walk west. You guys are not playing again. Keep moving. Cleats. Heels up. Come start east side. Turn back. Cleats. Come start. Come start east. Bro, please cleats. Focus. Inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us. Kite to the bridge. Try to kite to the bridge. Try to kite to the bridge. Drop focus. Cleats. Keep kiting bridge. Walk southwest side. Push this tank outside. He's up. Keep moving southwest. Keep correct. Focus. Keep kiting. Drop mana. Keep kiting. We will look at the northeast side. Keep kiting. Cleats. Heels. Northeast side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the tank. Wipe it. Keep kiting. Walk west. Heels. Please heels. Walk west. Rest your coolers. Cleats. Red on stop them. Keep kiting. Rest your coolers. Damage. Keep kiting southwest. Walk southwest. Let us kite. Keep using rings. Keep moving southwest. Go up. Go get your region. Walk west. Heels up. Keep moving west side.